To begin with, the first is I want to say I'm not feeling well in an advanced way. It would be I'm really feeling under the weather. The same sentence can be said in different forms like I'm off the color, I don't feel up to snuff, I feel a bit wabbit, I'm peaky or I look peaky, I'm under medication, I'm indisposed. These are the other phrases which you could use for not feeling well. The second is an action that you cannot change or is something irreversible. The basic is if you make him angry, you cannot go back to him. You have made your action irreversible. The same in advanced would be if you have made him angry, you have burnt the bridges. Burnt the bridges means the action is irreversible and there cannot be any more change. The other sentences that mean the same, irreversible, are irrevocable. It's an irrevocable action. It's an irremediable action. It's unalterable. It passed the point of no return. You have passed the point of no return. You have crossed the Rubicon. Means again all these phrases means irreversible action. Crossing the Rubicon. You have got estranged. You have ended up on a sore note. Thank you.